Our day starts off at Tropic Supply, where CJ has our equipment ready to load. We can count on Marcus and Brad to resolve any technical issues that may come up.
We at Kingdom Cooling use Tropic Supply because they are reliable, fast, and knowledgeable of all the products they sell. One of the products that they offer is Allied Air, which we offer to our clients. We install the Allied brand because it's durable and easy to take apart. The easy assembly of the unit makes it ideal to install in tight spots.